Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm sharing 5 altcoins that I believe have the potential to deliver incredible profits this year. We're talking life-changing gains, the kind that could potentially put you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Now I know what you're thinking, isn't that a little ambitious? And you know what? You're right, it is ambitious. But in the world of crypto, anything is possible. I'll break down each coin, explain why I'm bullish on it, and give you the insights you need to make informed decisions. This is the kind of information that could completely change your financial future. So, if you're ready to dive into the exciting world of altcoins and learn how to navigate the market like a pro, grab your notebooks, get comfortable, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with our first coin, ENA, also known as Athena. It launched last year with a bang, even getting featured on Binance's launchpad, which is a huge deal in the crypto world. It's like getting the official stamp of approval from one of the biggest players in the game. ENA surged to an all-time high of $1, and early investors were ecstatic. But then, as with many cryptos, the bears came knocking. ENA faced heavy selling pressure, especially from early whales looking to cash out their massive holdings. This caused the price to drop significantly, plummeting to 30 cents. But here's the thing about ENA, it's resilient. Since that dip, it has shown a remarkable recovery, already delivering a 3x return for those who held strong or bought the dip. This tells me that there's real interest in ENA, and the selling pressure might have been just a temporary setback. Right now, ENA has a market cap of $2.8 billion, which is still relatively small in the grand scheme of things. Many experts, and I tend to agree with them, believe that ENA could easily reach $3 this year, and potentially even higher if the market continues its upward trend. Now, I know you're probably wondering where you can get your hands on some ENA. Well, the good news is that it's available on Binance, the very same platform that featured it on their launchpad as well as on other major exchanges. So if you're looking for a coin with a solid track record, a history of bouncing back, and the potential for significant growth, ENA is definitely worth considering. Next up, we have a coin that's near and dear to my heart. Peng, the native token of the incredible Web3 company and NFT project Penguin. When Peng launched, it sent shockwaves through the crypto community, and for good reason. Holders of Penguin NFTs, partner NFTs, and even OG users of MetaMask and Phantom wallets received free airdrops of Peng. It was like Christmas morning for anyone lucky enough to be a part of the Penguin ecosystem. However, as you might expect with any major airdrop, there was a period of intense volatility. Many of those who received free Peng decided to cash out immediately, putting some initial downward pressure on the price. But here's what impressed me. Peng absorbed those dips like a champ and came back stronger each time. This tells me that there's a strong community behind Peng, a community that believes in the project's long-term vision. And when you have a community like that, anything is possible. The founder of Penguin, Luca Netz, is a visionary, constantly hinting at exciting future partnerships and developments. So, if you're looking for a coin that's tied to a solid project, has a passionate community, and is led by a true innovator, then Peng should be on your radar. Now, for those of you who've been following this channel for a while, you know I have a soft spot for INJ, the native token of the injective protocol. Last year, when INJ was still flying under the radar, I recommended it at a very attractive price. Many of you took action and made significant profits when INJ skyrocketed to its all-time high of $50. After that incredible run-up, INJ experienced a correction, as many assets do in the crypto market. But here's the key difference. INJ has been consolidating around the $20 range, building a strong base for what I believe is the next leg up. The injective team recently proposed a deflationary mechanism, which has been met with overwhelming approval from the community. This mechanism is designed to reduce the circulating supply of INJ over time, potentially leading to scarcity and price appreciation. Deflationary mechanisms have a proven track record of success in the crypto space, and I believe INJ is perfectly positioned to benefit from this trend. The injective team is incredibly transparent, constantly updating the community on their progress through their official Twitter account. So if you're looking for a coin with a proven track record, a strong community, and a deflationary mechanism that could send its price soaring, then INJ is a must-have in your portfolio. Chapter 4. Beam, leveling up with gaming and a Layer 1 transition. Meet Beam, a cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the blockchain gaming world. Initially built on the Avalanche blockchain, Beam provides cutting-edge tools for game developers to seamlessly integrate blockchain items, NFTs, and other features into their games. This is huge, because it opens up a whole new world of possibilities for both developers and players. Beam is transitioning from being an Avalanche-based project to becoming its own independent Layer 1 blockchain. This is a bold move, but one that I believe has the potential to be a game-changer. By having its own blockchain, Beam will have more control over its own destiny. It will be able to scale more effectively, offer lower transaction fees, and attract even more developers and users to its ecosystem. Beam is still relatively undervalued, with a market cap of $1.4 billion. This means that there's a massive opportunity for growth, especially as the blockchain gaming industry continues to explode in popularity. Beam has already caught the attention of major influencers in the crypto space, including Alex Becker. So, if you're looking for a coin that's at the forefront of the blockchain gaming revolution, has a strong team, and is poised for explosive growth, then Beam is a no-brainer. Chapter 5. Lumia, the high-risk, high-reward gem of asset tokenization. Alright, it's time to talk about the wildcard, the coin on this list with the highest risk, but also the highest potential reward, Lumia. With a market cap of just $130 million, it's what we call a low-cap altcoin. This means that it can be extremely volatile, with wild price swings in both directions. But for those of you who are willing to stomach a little bit of risk, Lumia could be a life-changing investment. Lumia is tackling a massive market asset tokenization. In simple terms, Lumia is making it possible to tokenize real-world assets, such as real estate, art, and even businesses, on the blockchain. This is revolutionary because it opens up these assets to a whole new world of investors, while also increasing liquidity and transparency. Many analysts believe that Lumia could be one of the top-performing cryptocurrencies of 2025, and I tend to agree. However, it's important to remember that due to its smaller market cap, Lumia is much more susceptible to manipulation and volatility. The secret to guaranteed profits: secure your crypto gains. Now let's talk about the secret to guaranteed profits in the crypto market. The crypto market is showing strong signs of turning bullish, but remember, it won't stay bullish forever. You have a limited window to make smart moves and capitalize on this upward momentum. Here's what you need to do. Every time your portfolio sees a significant pump, take profits in small chunks. Don't wait for a mythical 100x or 200x return, because let's be honest, that rarely happens. And even if it does, no one can perfectly time the market's top. By regularly shaving off profits, you ensure consistent gains and, most importantly, avoid losing everything in a sudden downturn. Think of it like this. Would you rather have a small, steady stream of income or risk it all for a chance at a massive windfall that might never come? By taking profits along the way, you're locking in gains and protecting yourself from the inevitable volatility of the crypto market. I hope this strategy makes sense to you. Until next time, stay smart, stay safe, and keep profiting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any future videos. I'm constantly sharing valuable insights and strategies to help you navigate the exciting world of crypto. See you in the next episode. Take care and goodbye.